Kwesta reaches 50 million views on YouTube and becomes the second South African rapper to do so. Welcome to Celebrities Worldwide YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button below. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload something new. This moment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload something new. The SA rapper Kwesta, also known as Dakar, become the second South African rapper to reach 50 million views on YouTube after Nasty C, and that automatically makes him the second most viewed SA rapper on YouTube. Dakar started rapping in the mainstream level back in 2002. He has a 19-year-old career. Initially, it wasn't easy for him to maintain his position in the game, but now he's one of the most respected rappers in the game. In 19 years of his career, he worked with a lot of artists both locally and internationally. Some of the most remarkable international artists he has worked with are Whale, Rick Ross, and Rich Homie Quan, and some of his most popular songs are Spirit, Run It Up, and I Came I Saw. Well folks, that's all we had for you. Please don't forget to like and comment. Till next time, peace.